Hey, good morning, YouTube. Hey, so today I want to go over PBF Energy. So as you can see right now, our portfolio value is $7,344.66. It's moving around. We're up $76.93 as of right now, or $80. It just moved again. And I really want to just go over PBF Energy, and we're just gonna go ahead and scroll. As you can see, we do have a option in for PBF Energy to sell at $20, and you see that it's at $5.35 right now. We're going to continue to scroll down, click on our PBF Energy shares, scroll down, see that the price is actually moving around $17.97, jumps to $18. But your market value right now is $1,797. It cost us $564.10. Average cost is $564 for the 100 shares. Portfolio diversity is 27.39%. You saw it change. Today's return is $103 or positive 6.8%. Total return is $1,229.90. As you can see, it's going. This is live. And scroll down. You see we have an option in here. And not going to go into the technicals of the option. Just know as I click on here, they paid me $4.40 per share, or $440 up front. Current value of those same 100 shares is $535. So if I want to get up out of this particular option contract, I would have to pay back the $440 that I received and the remaining difference from that. I don't plan on doing that at any point. Unless I feel like the shares are going to be higher than $20. Right now, we believe that it may go up to $25, $30, but that's long term. Anyway, we're going to continue to scroll up and go back outside of PBF Energy, go up a little bit, and I actually can show you the weekly chart. Weekly chart, PBF Energy currently at $17.98, positive $1.32 or positive 7.92% over the past week. Monthly chart, we're up $7.73 or positive 75.41% over the past month. 3-month chart, up positive $9.43 or 109.52% over the past 3 months. The yearly chart, we're up $3.10 or positive 20.75 for the year. And then the 5-year chart is going to show that we're negative $13.56 or negative 42.91. So what do we pay attention to? We're going to pay attention to this area right here, because this is really when the pandemic started popping off, right? So PBF Energy showed that was usually between $27 and $30. And we see we had some dips August 2019, and that's at $21. So at the low, we're saying PBF Energy $21 and some change, which we close by that number right now. But right before the pandemic happened, we see that this thing was at 29 and it just dropped, right? Dropped all the way down, right? Did we get in at that point? No, I think we got in further around that area. I think we got in at 6, and then we were able to average down somewhere around that range. And we actually averaged down to, like I said, 564, right? Anyway, we're going to continue to move on and go to their website. I always tell you guys to go to the websites, click on the Investors Relations tab or Investors tab. You get news, you get corporate governance, stocks and financial info, SEC filings. Always take a look at the SEC filings. Annual report and proxies, tariffs, events and presentations, investor facts, investor contacts, and information fact requests, right? So you see they have news out March 5th, February 26th, February 11th. They have different news. You can go ahead and go over to E-Trade. E-Trade, analyst price targets. Average price target is $13.28. So if it drops down to that price, they have a negative 23.68% downside. Their high is $20 or positive 14.94% upside, and their low is $5 or a negative 71.26% downside, right? It said in the last 3 months, 11 ranked analysts set 12-month price targets for PBF. The average price target a month, the analyst is $13.28. Analysts compare their price targets to the current market price of the stock to determine how much potential upside or downside movement there could be in the stock price. So here we go right here, $20, mid $13.28, and the low for $5. Scroll down, see what they're saying. 311. Morgan Stanley guy gave a sale. $17.50 was his price target. We're above $17.50 right now, but they're saying, hey, sale. On March the 8th, Barclays person, $14, sale. We got Goldman Sachs, who says hold at 15. We have, and that was on on March 1st. Then we have another one for February 26th, and Mizuho Securities, $20 buy. And then we have Wells Fargo giving at February 25th at $14 a buy. So those are the last analyst updates. We're not going to continue to go down and look at any of this stuff. We'll go back up. So pretty much people are saying sell for the most part because they don't think it's going to go higher than that. I think long term it will go higher than that, but it's up to you, right, to make your own decisions. We're going to go ahead and click on Yahoo Finance and scroll down and see what they say. So Yahoo Finance is saying that it's overvalued. Once again, we'll talk about overvalued. Basically mean that they believe that compared to its earnings and all the information that this stock is putting out, that they believe that they're overvalued. So they should be going down in value. It has a bearish event in place, relative strength index RSI. So it's putting out a bearish pattern detected. Short term, 2 weeks to 6 weeks, they believe it's going to be down. Mid term, 6 weeks to 9 months up. Long term, 9 months up, right? And then we have a little bit of information right here talking about the Bank of America Refining Conference. We talked about that earlier. And we also can go over into the NASDAQ website to actually show you what's going on. And man, this stock is popping right now. $18.26. You see it's going up. Positive 7.68% for the day right now. And then you have all the information. Insider bets paying off at PBF as new 52-week high reached, right? So the new 52-week high is reached. And this was 2 days ago. And it's obviously higher than that now, right? And we have other information, so on and so forth, that you can scroll through and look. I really like looking at the NASDAQ website because you have a lot of information that they can give out. They have the dividend history, historical quotes, historical NOCPs, financials, earnings, PE ratios, PEC ratios, everything that you need to know, even option chains and short interest, institutional holdings, insider activity, SEC filings, revenue, EPS. They have all types of stuff, and that's why I like really dealing with the NASDAQ website. But anyway, we'll go back to Robinhood, take a look at it right now for the day. As you can see, this thing is actually moving up and moving up. So hey, we're supposed to be selling our shares off at about $20, but we also have to the end of the year to do that, depending on if the person decides to exercise the contract or not. Either way, we're up right now when it comes to PBF Energy, and we're going to continue to hold our shares and see what happens. You guys have a great day. Once again, I appreciate you guys for subscribing, liking, and even commenting. It really helps the channel, and I'm going to keep putting out good information if I can. And hey, just let me know if you want me to make a video about something. You guys have a good one. Bye.